Hey guys, today on Days of Glory Shopworks, we're going to attempt to pull the body off the frame of the gasser. So the main modifications are done on the 1952 International truck frame to go underneath of it. We have a few measurements and stuff to make once we start placing where the wheelbase is going to be and the engine and trans and all that jazz. Still have to pick up my engine block, but we're close. We're getting there. So now all the body mounts should be fairly easily removable, and then I just have to jack it up nice and high to clear the rear frame, and from there we can I'll try to block it up with some 2x4s across some jack stands maybe to clear the wheelbase, but either way we should have enough room to do it. And then out with this frame, park it. We're going to keep it for now instead of just throwing it away, because I'm going to need something to roll underneath it to kick it out after we got our frame measurements done. We're not going to the sandblaster right away here now. Might be another week or two. We kind of got held up on a few things there. So, long story short, we're just gonna get after it. Oh, my nifty "let's push it in with my little Dodge Dakota" apparatus there. That worked like a charm. It's kind of on the fly. I'm quite proud of that. Anyway. Maybe I'm entertained easily, could be. Well, I'll set you up and we'll get after it. Here goes. Well, if that was a little sketchy, I don't know what is. I know parts of the frame don't look bad. We still ain't using it. It's just not in good enough shape for us. It's going to cause more problems down the road. Anyway, we're going to try and wheel in the other frame. Hopefully that goes okay. Oh yeah, the kingpins are still seized. Alright guys, we have somewhat succeeded. She is on top of the new frame, just not on the new frame, obviously. So I'm kind of digging where the wheelbase is. And yeah, we can go back a couple more inches. These are pretty well the size slicks I'm going to be running on this thing. So yeah, move the rear wheelbase forwards for a little more traction action. But I gotta say, pretty happy. Now we're not squared up and true and you know, ready to build body mounts. It can sit like this for a day or two. But boy, we're close. Not too shabby. I got to run some probably 18-inch outriggers for the body mounts, but whatever, don't matter to me. The frame's a lot narrower than the factory frame over there, so winning. Anyway, that'll do it for this episode of Days of Glory WTH. And you guys all have a great evening, and we're going to keep on rocking on this thing. Cheers.